ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡು ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ poem, a very simple and easiest poem that everyone can learn. And along with the rhymes, this poem, we also learn the meaning of this one and we learn the new words. So here is the short rhymes. The rhyme is HAAVU. HAAVU ಅಂದ್ರೆ snake. ಸಳಸಳ ಬಂದಿತು ಹಾವೊಂದು, ಗುಳುಗುಳು ನುಂಗಿತು ಇಲಿಯೊಂದ. So HAAVU is a snake, Ili is a rat. So the HAAV came crawling faster. Sala sala banditu havondu. Gulu gulu nungitu. It swallowed. Iliyonda. It swallowed the rat. Iliyanu nungida havondu. Seritu potareya modadinda. So after swallowing the ili, the rat, it went inside the hole. The potare is a small hole inside the tree. Potareya seritu modadinda. Very happily it went inside the tree. So we'll repeat once again. Sala sala banditu havondu, gulu gulu nungitu iliyonda, iliyanu nungida havondu, potareya seritu modadinda. I'll take it slowly. Sala sala banditu havondu, gulu gulu nungitu iliyonda, iliyanu nungida havondu, potareya seritu modadinda. So I hope you have understood this one. So these are just 4 lines that I have chosen from one of the rhymes. There is also extended version of this one which we will learn in the later. So now you can learn this and make a video of this and send it to me. We'll repeat once again. Sala sala banditu havondu, gulu gulu nungitu iliyonda, iliyana nungida havondu, potareya seritu modadinda. See you in the next rhymes video very soon anta helta. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2 vocabulary book and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.